This is Weaver Clement's channel, and if you enjoy these RV challenges, like and subscribe. Today I hope I'm going to get the RV washed top to bottom, dried. I use a blower to blow the water off my RV, and then I take a rag to get any water that's left off. And right now I'm going to put my shoes on, socks and shoes, and get my bucket of water and everything ready, and then we'll meet you back.
And this is a no editing video because you can't pause the video on the iPhone. So,
You get what you get.
yeah.
That's me. You get what you get.
And I'm behind the camera.
She's the best part of it.
And if any of my subscribers are watching, thank you so much for subscribing. I have 9 subscribers. I'm hoping to get 10. 10 was my goal, so. And Nana's just
Trying to get her socks on.
And as you may know, the RV is over there.
It's a 38.4 diesel pusher, Allison transmission, Cummins engine, and I love driving it. My husband and I took a lot of trips in there.
I went to Disney World with them.
And you went on a fall trip to the mountains in it, the first one.
Yeah.
Yep. We stayed, what, 3 or 4 days?
Yeah.
And then where did we go after that?
Biltmore.
Yeah, on the way home, Nana said, we're pretty close to Biltmore. I've got to take Emily to Biltmore. And we did. And we had, after we looked at the house, at the estate, we went and got ice cream, and I said, what kind of ice cream you want? She said, pumpkin. I said, pumpkin? I said, really? Are you sure? And she said, yes, and I tried it, and I ended up going, oh, this isn't bad. This is pretty good. See, I'm not the person to try new things.
But it was really good.
What did you think of the Biltmore Estate? Isn't it awesome?
Yes.
I mean, I think you could go through someone's house like that, you know, it's the same as when they left it, okay? And to think only a few family members lived in there, and most of the other people that lived there were servants. I mean, it's amazing.
Yeah.
The upkeep for just, I think it was, what, 4 people?
Yeah.
4 people, because in the beginning, I think his mother was there.
So now we are heading off to the RV, and it is very sunny, so it might be a little shiny the first few minutes. So now she's bringing the hose over to the RV. Yeah. Now we gotta follow her around the RV. Oh. Let's go the other way. So. And I've posted 9 videos on my channel, and I have 9 subscribers. Yay! I'm so happy. And I'm trying to catch up with Nana, but because she just like left me. I don't know where she is. She's in the RV, but. And there she is. Her dogs heard it and they started barking. So I think the RV looks pretty good so far.
It's a lot of painting.
A lot of progress. And go watch the one where the RV was just brown, and now
I don't know if I ever posted.
And yeah, you.
Okay.
It was like a 20-second video though.
Okay. Okay, you better move. I'm bringing the slide in.
And her floors can move.
Okay, that's in. Oh, the kitchen. I gotta move the kitchen in. Oh, that's gonna be harder.
She's gonna move the kitchen in, which you don't know. Let me go back outside of the RV. That's the thing that's sticking out, and she's gotta pull that back in. Okay.
I'm gonna do this with this chair on the rug.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe that'll get it.
She had to move the rug.
Ugh. Okay, let's see if that gets it. Did you move, honey? Thank you. We gotta get back over here to the slide. In. We're gonna try to straighten up today after we get it washed on the outside. No.
And she also got new curtains. I think they're really pretty. She went back there. I think she's coming back though. A cabinet fell. I'm gonna go see what she's doing. She's all the way in the back of the RV, so. Oh, there she is. She came back.
Oh, let's open this up. Okay. That was close. We'll start washing on this side because I have more room, okay?
Okay.
Usually I back it up. I don't know how I'm going to do that other side, really. I guess we're starting in the front.
The dogs, her neighbor's dogs and her dogs are having a barking battle, so you might hear that. It feels nice today.
Oh, really? I got to start up top. Shoot. Yeah, I got to start up top, really. Looking for my soap. This is a water bay, so it's not going to be there. Okay, make it another part after we get ready, okay? Because I got to find some things.
So we will see you in part 2 of this video because we've got to get some stuff ready. So, bye.